Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to insert PI symbol in Word. Let's open our text editor. To insert the PI symbol, we will use the Alt key combination plus the numbers 960. After that, we will see that the number pi is inserted. We can also add the PI symbol if we go to the Insert menu and under Symbol click on More Symbols. Here we will look for the pi symbol and then click on Insert to add it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.